Why Longxin Laser Tube Cutting Machine is perfect choice for Korean customers. Longxin Laser, a leading manufacturer of cutting-edge laser tube cutting machines. As we bring our cutting-edge technology to the vibrant Korean market, here's why our machines are the perfect match for your needs. In a world where labor shortages and soaring costs challenge businesses, Longxin Laser stands out with its fully automated loading and unloading, as well as seamless integration of multiple processes. Our machines excel in wire linking, welding, chamfering, and more. With one operator handling 3 to 5 machines, you can save over $50,000 in annual labor expenses. Longxin Laser boasts machines with an astonishingly short tailing length, as low as 40 millimeters. This translates to over $15,000 in annual material cost savings for clients in the Korean automotive and parts industries, setting you on a path to enhanced profitability. Laser cutting residue is a challenge faced by many in the pipe cutting industry. As Korea takes pride in its automotive manufacturing prowess, stringent requirements for cleanliness and precision are the norm. Our affordable and highly effective automated residue removal solutions open doors to applications in industries that demand utmost cleanliness. Longxin Laser has established a machine showroom and parts warehouse in Korea. Our dedicated technical experts, specialized in tube cutting, are stationed locally to oversee installation, training, and after-sales support. In the event of a machine issue, our local parts inventory ensures uninterrupted operation, safeguarding your production. Elevate your pipe cutting endeavors with Longxin Laser, where innovation meets efficiency, precision meets profitability, and seamless support meets your success. Join us in shaping the future of pipe cutting technology in Korea.